it makes it quicker for you too, because you're able to just jump in there and bang it out. You know what I mean?
Right.
Which is why you're going to keep earning a shit ton of business. You see what I'm saying?
Gotcha. Yeah.
So
yeah.
that's what's the good thing. Now, I would say definitely start raising your price a little bit. Like, start getting a little more ballsy. And but either way, dude, you're winning bids, man. That's what matters, bro.
Yeah, bro. And look, he was like, I took off. I see that you came in at 33. He was like, look, come in at 35 and I'll get into my shield. So that means I was still
Under.
I was under, yeah.
Yeah, see, the 3,900 price would have been me lowballing it. So that's why I gave you that price. Was like, I was like, you know what, 3,900 is like where I would come in low.
Right.
On a 7-story 165, I mean, I think taking it a little bit higher would have been like 55.
55, okay.
I probably could have got 55 for that. What type of brand was it?
You said brand?
Yeah, what was the brand of the hotel?
Have you heard of Cambria?
Yeah, Cambria Suites. That's a pretty good brand.
Okay, all right. So they got money.
They got money, yeah. So I mean, you know, 5 would have been nice. You know, you're in a what's your minimum wage out there? $7-8 bucks.
Yeah, $7.25.
And it's a 7-story, so they were probably considering like, shit, someone's gonna have to drop off our building. This is a higher building. Anything over 6, you can get a little bit more money.
Yeah.
So definitely keep that in mind. I just wanted you to win another project.
Right, exactly. Yeah, bro. So with these 3 projects that I'm doing now, I'm kind of starting to understand the market. Kind of bend them in with like certain words to try to see what they say. I don't do a whole lot of talking. I kind of let them talk.
Good.
And I'm starting to understand the market. You know.
Yeah, man. Be a student. Be humble, and they'll do business with you, man, because they'll like your persona. They'll like the fact that you're somebody that's willing to work with them. You know,
Right.
They don't want to get taken advantage of. You know what I mean?
Right, exactly.
They want someone that's just fair and can do the service. So good for you. So how much money is that so far that you've sold in those window cleanings?
Let me see, 44. Then I have 32 on the board. Let me see, hold on. I believe like 30, no, almost 3 on the board coming up next week. And then 35 for April.
So that's like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 11, 12, 13 grand or something like that?
Something, yeah.
That's solid, bro.
Got it, 11 grand, bro.
That's awesome, dude. Is your wife happy?
Oh yeah, she happy. Yeah, bro. She on with it.
Yeah. I mean, it takes a little time for you to get that money in the bank, but I'm pretty sure you guys are celebrating seeing the money starting to come in. You know.
Right, exactly. Yeah. And then so how much you put away for tax? You put what, 30% away?
What's that?
You put 30% away for taxes? What do y'all do 30% of?
You know, I mean, taxes. Just get a good accountant is all I can say, man. I mean, I'm not an accountant, so I have a tax guy. I shoot him money, dude, and I shoot him the my 1099s that I get at the end of the year, and he kind of makes most of it go away.
Gotcha.
So you just gotta get a good accountant.
Yeah, my wife, she's been having a CPA, and I'm using a state CPA, and I'm making sure like every time I'm trying to do everything so legit. Every penny I get, I'm putting away for taxes. So you know.
Be smart, yeah. Be smart about it. I mean, just oh, there goes my phone. My phone died. Anyways, that was one of our students. He's in New Orleans right now. Started our program in November. Once window cleaning season took off, dude was actually working for a window cleaning company, and he was making maybe 15 bucks an hour. Not even working full time, maybe like 30 hours a week. And basically what happened is he met me and he's like, dude, I like your program. I like what you're doing. Like, how do I get involved with this? I was like, man, just sign up with our program and we'll get you going. His November, December was kind of tough because it's the winter season. January came through, he did a lot of appointments. By February, he closed about $6,000 in revenue. And now March, he's got another $6,000 in revenue. So he's got about $11,000 total in revenue between 3 projects. I mean, he was making $2,000 a month prior, and now he's making a good $6-7 a month on average, and he's just getting started. So he's getting projects left and right. People are calling him. He's closing deals. I'm really proud of this guy. So we're actually going to do an interview with him soon, so he could share with you guys on how he got these projects and now how he's making a full-time income with his business. So we got to wrap this thing up, man. We got a lot of freaking stuff to do. All this stuff. I mean, these are some of our projects here. This is Costa Verde Towers, and this is the Lux Towers. Both of our projects, and you see that crane over there. They're putting in a whole nother Lux building, so it's going to be another tower like this one, except twice the size. And we're going to do the whole construction cleanup and also the window cleaning maintenance contract. So hope you guys are doing well, man. We're going to be teaching you guys some more stuff here soon, so stay tuned.